This CPU was super hard to get for a second. Heard this motherboard sold out like 3 times. Fucking nutty, huh? Yeah. Oh well. Jesus fucking Christ, bro. Friend Christian Logan. On my build.
Badass.
Like it?
Very colorful.
Yeah.
You ready to ruin it?
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah.
Huge fucking.
Yeah.
For no reason. It didn't have to be that big.
Yeah, no, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Take it.
I was like,
Yeah. Stick it in there and then flop. We might be able to have to check the motherboard.
No, it goes like that. Here, let me do it. In front of the hose.
There's no going back.
I'm not going back after this. Sheesh.
This is the money shot.
This is my shot. Oh.
look at all those unbent pins. We will change them.
JP said to scratch it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to locked in prison. Never getting out. Let's get the dominate.
I'm gonna dominate you in bed.
What?
What in the butt?
That what in the butt?
What?
Oh,
Ta-da.
sexy.
You press them in.
Oh, both of them?
Yeah, well, yeah. Well, no, just one of them. Yeah, both sides.
I'm so scared.
You're getting the hose for sure.
All the hose.
Graphics card next.
Oh.
Also, the box is absolute monster.
Sheesh. I remember when I bought it, the Best Buy lady was like, "Is this your first build?" I was like, "Yeah." And she like looked at me like she was like
It's like, I
surprised.
kind of hate you. That's exactly how I would feel. It's not ripping very satisfying.
It's not, but I love it.
Keep it going.
So peeling an orange, you can't let the peel into an end. That was easy.
Never enough plastic.
You ready for more classic, Christian?
Oh, it fits so well.
Yeah.
It's almost like it was made for it.
Yeah.
Does it have any screws? Ready for a test run. Okay, let's see if it turns on.
Whew. Oh shit! Even the fucking stand is turning on. Damn! Holy moly, dude. Yeah, they do.